Hello children, welcome to 3rd standard English. Today our topic big picture.
Children, in this video we are going to learn about preposition using with big picture. Children, what is preposition? A preposition is a word, a group of words used before a noun, pronoun or noun phrases to show direction, time, place, location and relationships. Okay. Children, we are going to complete this big picture. Okay. Are you ready? Children, look at this big picture. Listen this picture, children. Which book is under the table? Which book is under the table? Children? Yeah, good. Red book is under the table. So preposition under here we used. Okay. So red book is under the table. Second question. Which ball is out of the box? Which ball is out of the box? Violet ball is out of the box. Very good, children. Violet ball is out of the box. Let's see the next one. Which pen is longer? Children, which pen is longer? Black or blue? Black or blue? Yeah. Blue pen is longer. Blue pen is longer. Very good. Children, look at the table. How many apples there? 2 apples. Very good. One is green apple, another one is red apple. Okay, good. Which apple is cut into 2? Which apple is cut into 2? Red apple is cut into 2. Children, look at the table. How many toys there? Yeah, 2 toys. One is bear, another one is duck. Good. Which toy is bigger? Which toy is bigger? Bear toy is bigger. Bear toy is bigger. Which cat has the collar? Which cat has the collar? Look at the picture, children. Which cat has collar? Yeah, white cat has the collar. Children, look at the sofa. Look at the sofa. How many pillows there? How many pillows? Yeah, there are 2 pillows. 2 pillows. One is yellow pillow and another one is green pillow. Very good. Super. Okay, now which pillow is near the telephone? Where is telephone? Look at. Yeah, which pillow is near the telephone? Green pillow is near the telephone. Good, very good. Green pillow is near the telephone. Super, children. Next. Children, how many water bottle in this picture? Yeah, 2 water bottles. 2 water bottles. One is filled water bottle, another one is unfilled water bottle. Okay, good. Which bottle is filled with water? Which bottle is filled with water? Yeah, good. Green bottle is filled with water. Green bottle is filled with water. Very good, children. Very good. Children, all the answers write it in your book and note. Okay. Let's see the next one. Let us use. Let us use. Children, we use let, L-E-T, let for asking permission or giving someone permission. For example, let me play. Yes, you can. In this sentence, let me is used for asking permission to play. You can answer using yes, you can, or no, you can't. Children, are you ready? Did you understand? Children, we use let for asking permission or giving someone permission. For example, let me take rest. Let me taste the soup. Let you taste the soup. Like that. Okay, children, fill in the blanks with structure. You learn the structure now. Let me. So, use the structure and fill in the blanks. Children, look at this picture. Eat the mangoes. So, how do you ask? Let me eat the mango. Let me eat the mango. Children, you can answer using yes, you can. Otherwise, no, you cannot. No, you cannot. Okay. Complete this exercise.
Children, we will meet in the next video.